We should be fine. I think we're fine, right? 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 No way. What? I'm just about alive still. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way I win this game. Wait. There's no way. Oh, please tell me wizard counters this time. No, it still gets a hit.
How does that get a hit?
Oh my goodness. It's gonna be a rocket. Wait. No. No. Yeah, I'm just gonna take Fireball. And I'm gonna go E-Spirit in case he dashes. And fish it to my King Tower. Like this. Don't jump on my tower. What? No, don't tell me up.